Hello everyone. So today in this video we will try to analyze the problems on plate with the hole using a software analysis. So this particular thing is a problem which is a plate of 200 cross 100 dimension with a hole in it which is of radius 20 and 15 megapascal of load is being applied and this particular beam is fixed. The Young's modulus of this particular beam is 200 and the Poisson's ratio is 0.3. The thickness of this plate is 10 mm. So this is the given data for this particular problem. So how to analyze this particular problem using a FEMAP software, we'll just try to analyze. So when you load this FEMAP software, it will be as such. So before you start any problem, just go to the file, preferences, go to the user interface and reset this dialog position. This is the regular practice you have to follow to avoid any mistakes in the problem. So again, go to the preferences, go for the geometry and model and check the scaling factor to be in millimeters. Okay, just change it to millimeters. Press OK. Okay, now we are set to start the problem. So first you have to create the geometry. So first you have to go for geometry, after that surface, then corners. So just mark the corners of the plate. So first ID1 is 0 0 0 XYZ, press OK and change this to 2 and X would be 200 and Y0 and Z0, press OK and change this to 3. X would be 200 and this would be 100, press OK, and the last point change this to 4 and X would be 0, Y would be 100 and Z would be 0, plus OK. You'll get this particular figure on your screen. So press Ctrl A so that your particular figure will appear at the center of the screen. Next you have to draw a hole, right, before you need to cut it. So you have to draw the hole. So for that, go for geometry. In the geometry, go for curve circle here and pick this particular option which is center. So here you have to specify the center of the circle. So the coordinates are 100 and Y to be 50. Press OK, it will spot the center. So now we have to give the radius would be 20. Press OK. So the circle will be appearing on the screen. Now we have to cut this particular circle to make a hole in a plate, correct? So next we will be going to cut this thing. How we have to cut? Just follow these steps. Go for geometry, mid surface and trim with a curve option. Okay, select a plate, just give OK. Okay, after that select the hole and just give OK and cancel this. Okay, next you go for delete, geometry and then go for surface. And remember, you have to select the hole for this. So just select it. So this is a plate plus 2 and plus 1 is the hole. So plus 2 you just delete it. So the plus 1 will be selected. Press OK. Just give OK. So the particular circle which you have drawn is been cut into a hole. So now the plate with the hole is ready. The geometry is ready. Next step is you have to define the material, correct? As same as in your previous models. Just go for model, material, and give some title as material number 1. So since only one material you are using in this particular thing, it is enough that if you give to material 1. So Young's modulus is 2E5 and the Poisson's ratio is 0.33. Okay, just specify all the values and press just give OK and go for cancel. Only one material is that. Next go for model, properties. Okay, in the properties just type here as plate for your reference, and in the material you have defined only one material, so just select it. Go for element property type here, confirm that it is a plate here, it must be plate, just give OK. So it will ask for the thickness. So thickness given in the problem is 10, just specify as 10 and just press OK. Okay, then press cancel. After that, so you have defined the geometry, you have defined the materials. Okay, everything is done. Now next step is meshing, correct? So mesh control on, go to the size on surface. Okay, select the whole thing, press OK and give the element size. Give the convenient element size. We will take it as 10 here. Press OK. Okay, and then press cancel. Now we have to mesh the geometry. For that you have to go for mesh, geometry, and you have to go for surface. So after surface, just select the plate and press OK. So it will be asked for this particular thing. Select which property. So plate you have selected, just select the plate, and make sure that it is in the quad condition, not try. So it should be in the quad condition. Confirm it and then press OK. So your whole thing is meshed now. Next step is you have to apply the constraints on the loads, is it? So first we will apply the constraint for that. So just go for model, constraint, on curve. So model, constraint, on curve. So on curve you just click it, give anything it as a fixed beam, so I'm just specifying it as fixed, press OK. Now where is that constraint? This is in the left corner, right? Just select it, press OK. Okay, make sure it is fixed and press OK. So this particular thing is now fixed. So constraint has been applied. The next step is to apply the load. Again you have to go for model, load, on curve. So model, load, on curve to apply the load. Just press it and give a title it like load, something like that. After that you select where you are to supposed to put the load. So select this particular point and press OK, and only you are applying the load in the X direction, and press the magnitude here. So how much is the magnitude? 15,000. So 15,000 newtons is the magnitude. So press OK. So the load has been applied now. So constraint has been applied, load has been applied, meshing done, geometry, material properties, everything specified. Now we will try to analyze this particular problem using a software. So for that, go for model and analysis here, press near. Okay, just mention plate with the whole problem. And check this has to be in Nastran. In Nastran this is static steady, so just make it static. If it has changed, just make it static and press OK. Okay, now you give analyze. So there are 0 fatal errors and 0 warning messages. Information messages are for the information. There is no problem with this particular solution. So you can just press continue. Okay. Now if you want to take out the results, so just press F5 in your keyboard and go for features here, go for deform here, and go for beam diagram here, and deform and counter data. You can extract any of the output. If you want displacement, just select displacement. If you want stress, you can apply stress. If you want strain, you can extract strain. So first we will extract the displacement here. The deform should be T1 translation, and the counter also should be T1 translation. Just press OK and press OK. You will get this particular thing. So this is how we will extract the problems on the plate with the hole. This is simple. Just practice it more and more so that you will get convenient with it. Okay, all the best for your future.